How to keep crows out of the garbage bags. Crows are naturally curious birds that are quite inventive when it comes to accessing trash cans and bags. The crows tear open the bags looking for food scraps as well as items to build their nests with. Crows will spread the trash out over the ground and make quite a mess in their search. To keep crows out of trash bags, you must use measures to scare the crows away and keep the trash bags properly sealed. Things you will need: twist tie, trash can, brick, rope, chain, bird netting, hooks, bungee cords, tent stakes, 2 pie tins, knife, string. Tie trash bags securely at the top to help prevent a smell that will attract the crows to the trash bag. You can tie a knot in the bag itself if there is enough space, or use twist ties to secure the opening. Place the trash bags inside of a trash container with a tight-fitting lid to prevent the crows from accessing the trash bag. Bags that are left in the open are easy for the crows to tear a hole in. Secure lightweight trash can lids with a heavy object, such as a brick, to prevent the crows from knocking the lid off of it. You can also secure the lid with rope or a chain. Install bird netting, which is made of 4-inch wide mesh squares, over the area where the trash bags are stored to prevent the crows from accessing them. Simply drape the netting over the area and secure with hooks, bungee cords or even tent stakes. Poke a hole in 2 aluminum pie tins using the tip of a knife. Tie a 12-inch to 16-inch piece of string to each pie tin, and then hang them on the handle of the trash can or in a location near the trash bag. The noise of the pie tins hitting each other will scare the crows away.